Words of Love by the Beatles is played in standard tuning with no capo. The main riff starts off on the 5th fret of the B and the 5th fret of the high E string, played twice. Then go down to the 2nd fret of the B, open high E, sliding up to the 5th fret on the B with that open high E string ringing out. Hit that chord again when we get there, so slowly. I'm going to outline the D chord and pick G, high E, B, G. Open high E, 2nd fret on the B, open B, open high E. So a whole little riff slowly. Then we're going to go back to the 5th fret on the B and high E strings. We'll play 3 times, down, down, up, and then on the next down, take the pinky finger off and we have the high E string ringing open with the 5th fret on the B. So we hit that again before going into an open B and then running through the riff as before. We're going to end it slightly differently. From that point, so open high E, 2nd fret on the B, then we're going to grab 4th fret on the G, 1st fret on the G. And that'll take us into an A chord. Slowly. For the A, we're going to play down, 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 up, and we're going to go to the open strings when we strum up on the 4 there, so we can go to our D chord, do the same picking as just done. This repeats. A, picking. To come out of that, we start off the same with the A, down, 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 open before we go to the D. Then we're going to run into this little riff, 4 on the high E, 5 on the B, 7 on the high E, 9 on the B. So coming out of the verse there, A, open, then the picking on the D, and then we've got the 4 and the 5, 7 and the 9, then we go to this little pattern. So we've got 9 on the high E and 10 on the B to start, down to 5 and 5, 2 on the B, open high E, back to 5 and 5. So. Then we go down to 3 on the B, 2 on the high E, and we're going to slide up to 5 on the high E and 7 on the B. Hit that twice, drop back down to 5 on the B, 4 on the high E, slide up to 7 on the high E, 9 on the B. So far. Then we're going to slide up from 7 and 9 on the B and high E strings to 9 on the high E and 10 on the B, and that takes us back to the start of the riff. So for the chords for the song, we're going to play A, D and E throughout the entire song. We start on the A, we've got down, 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 and then the 4 and we're actually going to play the D chord, but half a step down with the up strum, and slide into the D for the first beat of the next bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and sliding into the D there. Then up, down, up, then to the E, down, down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. So you'll hear when you listen to the strumming in the song that the chords are always left early so you can get to the next chord in time. So for the A, 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the and, where I got that slide into the D. And then for the D, we're hitting the open strings as we're going to the E. Same for the E, open strings for the A. 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3. Good luck jamming along with this fantastic song. Thanks for watching and take care.